Well, hi, let's talk about homework this year in Mr. DeMars and Mr. Bailey's class. Your students will be coming home with a folder something like this with the homework inside it. We'll be sending homework home on Wednesday afternoons, and it will be due again the next Wednesday morning. This homework is designed to be really interactive with parents and students. This is sort of what it looks like. Up here you'll see this will be homework for the week that we're sending it. We'll also, it's indicated here how many times per week we would like you to engage in these different activities. For instance, we practice writing the spelling words 3 times this week. Check off the days that you do that. The spelling list, of course, will be included right down here and populated. Also, the most common words list will be here to use for other things. We practice the addition facts 10 minutes 5 times this week. Check off the days you did 5 times. I read for 20 minutes a night at home for 5 days this week. Again, check off the days they read 20 minutes at home. This one here can't be done by the students alone. It needs a parent or somebody to time them. This is talking about this reading selection that's also included. Have them read the reading selection, time how long it takes them. Goes right here in the box. We'll do that 4 times a week. Put the time right down here. I counted my words per minute from the reading 3 times this week. The words per minute line here means a 1-minute reading, again, of the reading selection. Count the number of words that the student read correctly in 1 minute. There's a little help down the side here. It tells you how many words are at the end of each line to help with counting. The spelling list is here. The most common words list are here. On the back of that same sheet, we've included the math facts we would like the student to practice 5 times that week, again on a checkoff. These are addition facts this time. When we're finished with addition, we'll go on with subtraction facts. We'll go on to multiplication facts. So the math facts will change as we populate this list week to week. Again, every student will need to practice this 4 or 5 times a week. So filling in the answers the first day, I'm going to suggest that we do this as a mental math activity. Read the problem, give the answer. Probably the last day of the week, fill in the answers. This down here for the reading selection is going to be a comprehension activity. This one asks that we find the main idea of the selection and 3 details that support that main idea. This one involves talking with your student, reading with them, guiding them to the main idea, finding the supporting details and putting those in here. Something the student probably shouldn't be doing on their own. We answered the comprehension questions on the back of the reading. The reading has comprehension questions on the back to answer. Again, check that with your student, make sure they're getting the comprehension questions correct. Then we completed the wow chart for this reading. Wow chart. The last page in our packet here is called the wow chart. That's called the wonder of words. Go back to the reading, find words that populate each of these squares. These are words that have the short sound of the vowels. These are words that have the long sound of the vowels. These are words that fit certain grouping of letters. Go back to the reading, just pick out words that fill those categories. That's a wow chart. One of the purposes of our homework this year is to encourage interaction with the parents and our students in completing work that is relevant that week to the student, to our class. Thank you. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to call your teachers.